Hello all, it's just Paul again. Just want to bring to your attention just another radio that we've rescued from the rubbish heap or a parts bin. This one is a GE 3585B model. As you can see, it's in pretty good nick for a 1975 radio. These radios are an 028 chip. They're a twin board design, Cybernet chassis. Very popular radio, well known for their audio, and they just nailed it from a looks perspective back in the day. So what have we done? We've gone through and done a full desolder and solder of the top and bottom boards. And for that, you have to remove both boards from the radio. A full recap now, bar 2 power supply capacitors. So there's about 30 capacitors, electrolytics that have been replaced. Still could not get this radio to TX or RX. So I ended up going through checking as much as I could, replacing VCOs, replacing the 028 chip, could not get voltage to the PLL, and finally, with some help of a colleague, we located where the supply voltages were issues. We have just a small 5-volt zener diode that powers the PLL that was out. Also the main capacitor that causes a lot of ills here, which has acidic glue on the base which eats through the tracks. So I've gone through, done a whole lot of track jumpering from the acid, from the capacitors and a few others, and the radio's back to life. The other thing that also did here was updated this from an 18 channel selector to a 40. We rescued this one from a Super Panther Mark 1. It also has on the board the dimming function. However, you can't use this on the GE because it doesn't have a dimmer knob. Not much on the air these days. Very proud of this radio, and that'll go into the collection of other GEs that we've rescued during COVID. I now have to fix this radio again. We've had some more faults with the realistic TR451, and the parts are on order for that. But from the point of perspective today, nice to see this one resurrected again. Any questions, please shoot them up. All of us during these troubled times, we really need projects to keep our minds occupied. This is my way of keeping it occupied. All right, good luck. Hope you enjoyed the video.